So as you saw, I got the Kaja Trio eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. So it's in 05 Hella Azalea, Azalea, Beauty Bento, and these shades are so pretty. I don't know why people haven't really bought these, the Color Story app. I see the other like neutrals, and then this Joseph Colors Block Party, Tell Me More, Tell Me More, and this is a really beautiful swatched, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna go in with this pink right here. And it is like a little dusty. Don't mind the dust. Alright, so I'm going in with this pink shade, no shimmer, and it's very beautiful. So with the brush, it's going to be a little lighter than what you do when you finger swatch, but you know, you can always build it up, as you can see. It's really beautiful, like so pigmented. So just going in with that in the inner portion to like halfway to the outer. This is really pretty. Now going in with this purple shade. It's matte too. Very pretty. Pigmented. Just going in the outer portion of the crease, and then going in the outer portion of the lid. These are really cute and tiny. If you can do like a look just using these three, this could be like for travel. I know people are slowly traveling, but for me, I'm like, I don't want a chance traveling right now. Even though, like, some people are, because people do need to get out, but I'm just so scared right now with everything happening, and I'm just like, I want to stay in my little bubble. I'm not ready to go out and adventure yet. Even though I do have like still tickets for Disneyland. I see like Disneyland, I think is open. I'm not sure, but I always see like videos and pictures. But you gotta wear your mask, and I'm like not really up to wearing a mask full time yet. I know people work with their mask on, and I'm less like not ready to be committed full time when I already have like breathing problems going out. But that is so pigmented. I'm gonna use this Joseph color. It's like this pretty shimmery blue with green flecks on there. Going in the outer portion and see how that goes. I might have to marry this with something, or just probably with my finger and just dab it on there. I wasn't sure how I wanted to wear the blue. I thought it would just like under my eye. We'll see how this turns out. So shimmery. I got Color Pop in Coconut. Thought this was a pretty blue, so I'm gonna marry this with the blue. You do have to use your fingers with the Color Pop Super Shock shadows. And I was gonna see if I could just blend that in together. And see how that goes. Just a little more like pigmented, even though that swatch was beautiful. I think it looks the same. Okay, I want to use the shimmery pink all over the rest of the lid. And again, I might have to use my finger. Yep. Pack that into my eye. Onto it. Either way. Very beautiful, very shimmery. I hate using my fingers, but if you've got to get the pigmented, I don't mind. It's just a mess. All I see is mess. Going in with a different brush and then fixing that pink. It looked like it just wiped the sparkles off. More detailed brush going in the inner crease area, down further, going in with a dose of color and see how that works underneath. It is a fallout on here. Very pretty. Okay, I got you in a different, like, part of my room. I think you can see better over here. You see how pigmented the colors are? Very pretty. I'm going in with this purple color from the trio. Going in the center. So I want to like play around with the lighting where you can see the colors more better. I think right now you can. I know I'm just like going and then going in with the pink right next to the purple. And then the rest will be the shimmer pink into the inner portion. Use a different brush so it gets more packed with the pigmentation and sparkles inside. It's not completely a mess. And this is the finished look. I put mascara on. I'm using this Tay Sun from China before. And this green color. I really do enjoy, you know, this formula. It has like a little smudge thing. And then a sharpener, which is amazing. This was like $1 something to $2. Very nice. This is in 11. Automatic eyeliner says. And then I'm using this Thrive Cosmetics for under lashes, and on top of, you know, upper lashes, Big Ego from Tarte. And that is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel video. Very pigmented, little tiny fallout, not that much. I highly recommend both of these. If you see these in Boxycharm Pop Up, that's where I got these, and I really do enjoy both of them. And you have to use your fingers, definitely for the Dose of Colors one and the shimmer of the shadow. So yeah, if you're looking to buy any of these are really good. Little fallout from this to no fallout from this. So fallout from the pan, yes, not onto your face, no. But these are really good compact little eyeshadows, and this has a little mirror. This has a little mirror as well, and these are what they look like. Bye for now.